Okay, this is week 22 of science, and we're going to start with day 1 here. The first thing that you're going to do is watch the video to learn more about sound. It's a cool video. I think you'll want to do that. Make sure you just follow those instructions and then continue forward. The next thing you're going to do is, again, there's a little video here, and you're going to put your hand over your throat and make some sound, and you're going to see what you notice. Short video, look at the phenomenon, or a question that we're going to study is, what is sound? The next thing we're going to do is an activity, and there again is a video, and we're going to explore a little bit of what kind of experiments could we conduct to figure out what sound is. And I think you're going to have fun with these experiments. This next page tells you the materials that you're going to need. So you're going to need 6 feet of string, and if you don't have string at home, maybe you can find yarn, or you can find dental floss, or maybe some ribbon. The second thing you need is 2 paper cups. They can be any size. You could substitute yogurt containers or school lunch milk containers that are opened all the way and obviously that don't have any milk in them and that are cleaned out if you're going to choose that option. The third thing that you need is 2 paper clips. If you don't have paper clips, you could substitute a toothpick. You could go outside and find some small twigs. You could use pipe cleaners, anything that, as you're looking at the video on the next page, that will work for you there. And then the last thing that you're going to need is a pencil or a pen. This page will tell you how to prep your cup. And you're going to tie a knot, and as you go through each of these videos, it will tell you exactly what to do. And as usual, if you didn't quite catch it, stop the video, pause it, go back and look at it again. But that will tell you exactly what you need to do. The next thing you're going to do, watch the video, and you're going to conduct this experiment. The first experiment is to hold the cup over your mouth and say a few words, and then register in your head, well, did you feel anything? And again, the video explains all of this. The next thing, experiment 2, is to hold the string and talk into the cup. And do you feel anything in the string? So when you're holding the string, you're going to pull it tight, but not so tight that you pull it out of the bottom, obviously. Okay, and again, the third experiment, watching the video, gently rub the string and then put the cup to your ear. What do you notice? And number 4, pull the string tight and pluck it gently. What do you notice? Again, on each one of these, watch the video so that you can follow the instructions clearly. And then the last thing you're going to do is to fill in, after you've done these experiments, you're going to fill in your boxes. Remember that when you fill in your boxes, you need to come out of present mode and make a text box in order to type in these boxes. Remember also that to watch your video, actually your text box is already made. You don't need to make another one, so you can just type into the boxes, but you need to not be in present mode. To watch the videos, you'll want to be in present mode because then you can go ahead and make them larger for you. So that is this science day, day 1. It should have, and I hope you have fun with it.